Hey there! Are you ready to transform your body in just 4 weeks? I've got you covered with 5 simple exercises that will not only help you get stronger, but also boost your confidence. And the best part, they're perfect for beginners. Let's be honest, starting your fitness journey is the hardest part, right? It's tough to find the motivation to begin. But here's a little secret. Once you start and you see those first results, it gets addictive. You won't want to stop. But before we dive into the exercises, take a second to subscribe to this channel for more health and fitness tips and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Done? Great. Let's get into it. Step 1. It starts with your diet. All right, here's the truth. Abs are made in the kitchen. Yup, you heard that right. Your diet is the foundation of any fitness transformation. Think of it as fueling your body to perform its best. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu. Healthy carbs like brown rice and sweet potatoes. Fruits and veggies for that natural goodness. And yes, say goodbye to sugary snacks and processed foods. It's tough at first, but your body will thank you. Once your diet's in check, it's time to tackle your workouts. That's where these 5 exercises come in. Ready to move? 1. The plank. The first exercise is the plank, a game changer for building a strong core. Now, your core isn't just about looking good in a swimsuit. A strong core supports your back, improves your posture, and helps you move better in everyday life. Here's how to do it. Get down on the floor in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Keep your body straight, no sagging hips or arched back. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Hold it. For beginners, try holding the plank for 30 seconds. Can't make it? That's okay. Start where you are and build from there. Pro tip, think about your form, quality over quantity every time. 2. The push-up. Next up, push-ups. The classic push-up. It's a full-body exercise that works your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core. What's great about push-ups is you don't need any equipment. You can do them at home, at the park, or even in your living room. Here's how. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body toward the floor, keeping your back flat and your core tight. Push back up to the starting position. Start with as many as you can manage, and even if it's just 5, you'll get stronger every time you try. 3. The squat. All right, let's talk about squats, a must-do for strong legs and glutes. Squats don't just build muscle, they also improve balance and posture. Here's the move. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Push your hips back like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are as parallel to the ground as you can go. Press through your heels to stand back up. Start with bodyweight squats, and as you get better, you can add some weights for a challenge. Quick reminder, if you're new to squats, practice in front of a mirror to check your form. Bad form can lead to injuries, so take your time. 4. The bird dog. This next one has a funny name, but trust me, it's powerful. Meet the bird dog. It's all about core stability and balance, and it even strengthens your lower back. Here's how to do it. Get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Extend your left leg straight back while reaching your right arm forward. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. It's slow and controlled, so don't rush it. This exercise not only helps your core, but also improves coordination and balance. 5. The glute bridge. Last but not least, we've got the glute bridge. This one's perfect if you've been sitting too much, and let's face it, who hasn't? It strengthens your glutes, improves hip mobility, and even helps with lower back pain. Here's how. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Do 10 to 15 reps to start, and as you get stronger, you can add a single leg variation for an extra challenge. Your 4-week plan. Here's the plan. Week 1-2, do each exercise for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds between exercises. Repeat the circuit twice. Week 3-4, push it up to 1 to 2 minutes per exercise and repeat the circuit 3 times. Pair this workout with your clean eating plan and you'll see results in no time. A few quick tips. Before we wrap up, remember these key points. Consistency is everything. Results don't happen overnight, but if you stick with it, you'll be amazed. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, stop. It's better to rest than risk injury. Celebrate small wins. Every extra second you hold a plank or every push-up you add is progress. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give these exercises a try? Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. And if you've got other go-to moves, share those too. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to join you on this fitness journey. All right, that's it from me. Let's get moving and transform those bodies. You've got this. See you in the next video.